So today I wanted to talk about Venmo instant transfer fees. Now, part of this reason is I've seen a lot of people ask this question and how much Venmo actually charges you. So you can actually see here, I'm at the transfer balance. I'm actually looking at transferring money into my account, but this also is effective when you're trying to transfer money out of your Venmo account quickly into another bank account. So you can see right over here, our fee for transferring $1,000 into Venmo would be $17.50, and that would be pretty instant. So you can see in our transfer option at the bottom, that would equate to us actually having $982.50 into our account. Now we can choose the 1 to 3 business days, which will be entirely free for us. But if we wanted that money quickly, or again, reversed back into our regular bank quickly, we do get to pay that 1.75% fee on our total. So if we ended up switching back this over to, let's say $100, you're going to be paying that $1.75. So of course, it's not required to pay that instant transfer fee if you're willing to wait a day or two, but if it's something where you need right away, you will be looking at paying that fee. Now, as far as a maximum for your fee, if you actually go on here and just doing this as an example here, if I was to transfer $80,000, it would be a maximum of a $25 fee. If I switch this over to 100,000, again, it would be a $25 fee. So it's 1.75% up to a max of $25. Now, I want you to keep learning more when it comes to utilizing Venmo. So check out my video right over here on screen to keep on learning.